Now we're going to look at functions. A function is basically a named expression or code block that you can execute using its name. And as an added feature, you can pass parameters to a function which you can then use in the expression or code block. And finally, you can create mapped functions using the optional mapped keyword. So take a look at the movie on mapping for more on that. The format for defining a function is either the word function or the abbreviation fn, then the name of the function, then 0 or more parameters. So the curly braces here mean 0 or more, equals, and then an expression, which could also be a code block. So here's a simple example. This first line is a function definition. Fn, then the name of the function, test, num is a parameter, equals, and then an expression, 3 times num. So let me just highlight these and execute them. And you see here that the function was executed, and here you see that the result was 6. So what we did here is we executed this expression using the name of the function, namely test, and we passed it as a parameter 2. So num became 2, 3 times num became 6. And that was the result we got. So let's try another one. So here I've defined a function. I've given it the name SB for spheres and boxes, passed it a parameter, num, and the expression in this case is a code block. For I equals 1 to num, do sphere box. So in other words, this function is going to create the number of spheres and boxes passed to it as a parameter. So I'll just highlight all that and hit enter. And if I go into the viewport and click H, I can see that I have 3 boxes and 3 spheres. The name of the variable is arbitrary, so just let me select these and delete them. If I change num to foo, and execute that, it works exactly the same. So functions are an extremely powerful feature because they allow you to execute very complex expressions using a very simple syntax.